10 lines essay on rainy season. So let's start with the first line. Rainy season is also known as monsoon season. Second line is it begins in June and ends in September. Third line is it is a pleasant season. Fourth line is nature looks green and beautiful. Fifth line is rainy season is a boon for trees, birds, and animals. Sixth line is beautiful flowers bloom in this season. Seventh line is rain cleans our environment from pollution. Eighth line is children love to play in the rain. Ninth line is people use raincoats and umbrellas. The last line is the sky looks cloudy in this season. So these are the 10 lines on rainy season. Thank you so much for watching.